Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE 5, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you cannot access your phone using your screen lock pattern. In such situation, try to remember the screen lock pattern that you used the last time to unlock your phone, and in case it doesn't work for you, let's make sure that it happens because you forgot your screen lock pattern and not because some third-party application or phone login is affecting your screen lock working the way that your screen lock is behaving. So to do this, let's enter the safe mode on this phone, and to enter the safe mode, press power button and volume up key. At the same time, select restart and then wait while your phone reboots. Once you see the red and white dots on your phone screen, you'll have to start pressing the volume down button until your phone boots up. So wait a while, and now start holding the volume down key. Your phone should vibrate, and at this point your phone boots up into the safe mode. Now try entering your screen lock pattern, and if you succeed, go into the settings, select security and privacy, go into device unlock section, screen lock, confirm entering this menu by entering your screen lock pattern, and select turn off password and confirm. Then use volume up button and power button together, select restart and wait until your phone reboots. Now at this point you'll be able to regain access to your smartphone, but if you didn't succeed entering your screen lock pattern in safe mode, then I suggest that you contact OnePlus support service, tell them about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your device to them, they will most likely help you solve your problem without any data erasing or any complications at all. But if you cannot do that, then perform a factory reset operation, and you can do this in two ways. The first one is using the Find Hub service. If you have a Google account connected with your smartphone, you can enter the Find Hub on Google using any of your other devices. Use your Google Mail account to log in into the Find Hub service, then select this device on the list, select factory reset is the option at the bottom of the list, and once your device resets to the factory settings, you'll be able to set it up as a new device. The other way to perform a factory reset operation is by using recovery mode, and if you don't know how to access recovery mode on your smartphone, then check out the video on our channel where we explain everything step by step, so you don't get lost and you will surely do everything right. And at this point I end this video, so I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.